For 2023, the Toyota Highlander gas models receive a big and helpful change with a new, higher torque, high-efficiency turbocharged engine. The 265 horsepower, 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, which uses balance shafts for super smooth performance, delivers 309 pound-foot of torque. This is a significant 17% increase over the previous 3.5-liter V6 engine. Updates for Highlander go beyond, as Toyota is also turning the spotlight on value for the 2023 SUV. In addition to the JBL premium audio system with 11 speakers as carryover from 2022, the Limited and Platinum grades now have two 12.3-inch multi-information display screens as standard. Just as important to users, content can now occupy the full 12.3-inch, glare-reducing optically bonded screen. On both grades, a second new 12.3-inch full digital instrument cluster screen replaces the former 7-inch TFT, now with 4 different visual modes for a personalized touch, casual, smart, tough, and sporty mode.